ever feel like there are not enough hours in the day? That no matter how you try, you don't seem to get everything done. You're not alone. And that's why this video is here to help you go from that person who's always wanting more hours in the day to complete what they want to do, to that person that is able to do what they want to do within the hours stipulated and still have enough time to do all the things that matter in their life. Yeah, if you're that person, yeah, please do well to watch throughout this video. Do not click out. Watch every detail in the video. Don't miss out any detail because everything will be worth it, right? So let's get right into the video. So yes, there are so many beautiful tips that will help you become a better manager of your time in this video. But the last one is very amazing. Like you know it, but you don't think it's something that can help you better manage your time. So that's why you have to watch this video to the end. So the first tips you have to know is that you have to learn to plan your day beforehand. I mean, you have to learn to plan tomorrow today. This will save you a lot of stress and it will help you to better manage your time. For example, you're a professional, you work a 9 to 5 job and you go to work every morning. The best way to manage your time as a busy millennial is to plan the night before that day. For example, you have to go to work on a Monday morning, and it's on that Monday morning you're trying to select the shoes you want to wear, the outfit you want to wear, the bag you want to carry. I mean, all the files you want to pack into your bag. You know, doing this thing on that day will waste a lot of your time, and it will even cause you stress because you have to start thinking, oh, what am I going to cook this morning for work? What am I going to carry to work? No, don't be that person. Plan a day before, plan a night before. This will save you a lot of stress and it will help you better manage your time. So go from that person who is saying, my time go, to that person that said, oh my god, I have done everything to do in a day and I still have enough time to hang with the boys or with the girls. You get it? Yes, I know you get it. Let's move into the next point, which is to batch things in your life. I mean, you have to learn to batch. Before you ask me, what does batching means? Batching means you bringing things that are similar together. So you batching something or batching tasks or batching projects will help you save time, to help you manage your time. And this is how you do it. You group similar tasks together, similar projects together so you can do them as a goal. For example, if you're a YouTuber and you're always busy, you're a busy millennial, you're a YouTuber, you're a mom, you're a father, you can manage your time by grouping things that are similar together. For example, as a YouTuber, I am a 9 to 5 fiver too. What I do is I try to batch create my content such that I can just pick a day and just say I want to create about 5 content today. I want to create a video today. I want to film I want to film 5 videos today. This is what it means by to batch create something, or to batch your task, or to batch your project. Yes, this will help you to be a better manager of your time. This will save you a lot of time. Also, if you are a mom and you're a 9 to 5, or you're a student and or you're a student that is always busy, this is the way you can batch. You can batch create things so that it can help you better manage your time. Yeah. So if this video has been helpful so far, kindly like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel because it will help you a lot. It will help. And also, please turn on the notification bell such that whenever I release any video from this channel, you'll be notified straight up. And let me tell you something, whenever and I can guarantee you that any video from this channel will help you to become a better person. I mean, it will help you to become your best version every day. So don't sleep on it. Subscribe to this channel, and we'll go to the next step, which is to automate repetitive tasks. So most times people don't know this, but it is so easy to do. Whenever you notice that maybe you're a busy millennial, a busy person, that you do some things, it's recurrent. There's something that are recurrent in our lives, in your life, and these things, it tends to take your time if you don't automate them. So automate them. Use technology. Use technology. Use it to your advantage. so that you are able to automate things that are recurrent, things that are repetitive, right? So that it will save you enough time to help you manage your time well. Yes, so I will list some app right here to help you to that will help you to better automate your project, your task, that will like keep you organized and better help you manage your time. Yes. So the fourth thing to do is to learn to outsource. I know that you think you can do all things. You think you can do everything you want to do in a day. See, you're not a robot. You're not a super. Of course, you're a superman. You're a superwoman, but no, you don't have to do everything by yourself. Learn to outsource. See, the truth is, there are things that you don't even need to spend time on, but you can get them done. And you can do this by delegating. Delegate things to people. Let people help you. And see, when you delegate things to people, it saves you enough time to even do work on other things. For example, you want to do everything in your to-do list for that day. You have 10 things. Oh my god. You will burn out. So you have to prioritize your task. I mean, prioritize your list and select things that need to be done by you and things that you can outsource to other people. See, outsourcing is not bad. I mean, it's not hard. If you want me to do a video on how you can better outsource your task to people, please drop it in the comment section and I'll do a video for you on that. So yes, learn to outsource. Outsourcing will take away a lot of anxiety from you. It will better help you manage your time and become a productive, busy millennial. Yeah. Then we'll go to the next tip, which is before we go to the next tip, right? Please, if you have not subscribed, please can you subscribe to this channel? Follow, I mean, like this video, share it to your friends, and yes. See, it will help you a great deal. I mean, videos on this channel are targeted to help you become that person you want to be, that person that you aim to become. Yeah. So yeah, the next thing to do is to manage your energy to better manage your time. See, there's a science behind this. Most times you have time, but you don't have the energy to do what you need to do. Am I right? If I'm right or wrong, please write on in the comment and say, Emily, you lie, or Emily, you're correct. See, when you're able to manage your energy, you'll be able to manage your time. Most times, what we don't know is that there are moments in your day where you have high energy, you are bursting the energy, like you're energized to work, and there are moments in your day where you are so down, your energy level is so low. So this is what you have to do at that moment when you are boosting the energy. You have to do things that requires high energy, like task project that requires high energy at that moment, at those moments. Then when the moments come when you're low in energy, that's when you should do things that requires low energy to accomplish. This will better help you to manage your time, right? So don't be that person who puts things that requires low energy to when your energy level is high, and vice versa, right? So when you manage your energy well, then you'll be able to manage your time. And most times what you don't know is that there are activities that you can, partake in. There are activities that you can do that can help you boost your energy. Likewise, there are other activities that you can do that can actually drain you of your energy, right? So, and this will thereby lead you to do wasting your time and not being able to manage your time as a busy millennial. Yeah. So, if you would like me to do another video on how talking about activities that you can do to help you to better manage your energy and in another way manage your time, you can drop it in the comment section. I would like to hear from you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I know that you will enjoy this other one here. And